Okay, class, let's continue our lesson for today. Okay, today we are going to proceed with this. Given to you such of one nonlinear equation and another one is a linear equation, we want to solve. Okay, when I say solve or when there is a word solve, you need to choose whether you want to use substitution or elimination process. Graph method is another method, but then for today we are going to focus with elimination or substitution. So first thing first, okay, let's determine if you want to choose the elimination process. Okay, look, okay, if I choose the equation to be multiplied by y, okay, for example, this equation multiplied by y, then it become y square minus 3xy equals to negative y. If I eliminate with the first equation, okay, the unknown of xy still remains in the equation here. Okay, so the process of elimination process is not good or is not appropriate to be done here. So if I want to choose substitution, okay, if I want to choose y, I just can only substitute here, okay, at y square and another y. But when I want to choose x as a subject, I can just substitute into the x. Here, okay, let's choose substitution as the process on how to find the solution. So our problem here is, okay, either we want to choose y as the topic or x as the topic. Okay, look, if we are going to take x, okay, for example, from y minus 3x equals to negative 1, later on you will get x is equal to y plus 1 over by 3. If you are going to choose y as the topic, okay, you can just deal with 3x minus 1. So which one is more easier for us? Okay, for me, okay, the expression that is dealing without the fraction is more better. So let's choose y equals to 3x minus 1 as our topic. Okay, so I'm going to name this equation as equation 1 and this is equation 2. So our y here is the third equation. Okay, so let's start the solution, okay, the process. Okay, here let's substitute our third equation into first equation. So it become x squared plus 6 to 3x minus 1 square plus 5 3x minus 1. Since you have to the power of 2, meaning that you have to expand. So copying this one, x squared plus 6 to 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1, plus I'm going to open up the bracket, so 15x minus 5. And here, I'm going to expand the number to bracket 9x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 1 plus 15x minus 5, and note that this one later on it become x squared plus 6 equals to 2, 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 plus 15x minus 5. And these two you have to multiply inside the bracket. Okay, it become x squared plus 6 18x squared minus 12x plus 2 plus 15x minus 5. I'm going to make this equation into equal to 0. So it become 18x squared minus x squared minus 12x plus 15x plus this number and this number become negative 3. So minus 3 minus 6 equals to 0. Simplify the number. So 18 minus 1x squared, it becomes 17x squared. Negative 12x plus 15x become plus 3x. And last but not least, minus 9 equal to 0. I'm going to choose a formula, okay? Since the number is 1739, okay, I couldn't find the factorization step, okay? So I'm going to choose the formula. X is equal to negative p plus minus p square minus 4 is c over by 2a, and note that my a is 17, b is 3, and c equals to negative 9. Okay, so let's substitute into the formula. So it becomes negative 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 a c over by 2 multiplied by 17. So negative 3 plus minus 9 minus 9, so plus I'm not bring my calculator, so 9 multiplied by 4 is 36 multiplied by 17, so plus 612, sorry, over by 34. So my first x is negative 3 plus 621 over by 34, and another one is negative 3 minus 621 over by 34. It is equal, so negative 3 plus negative 3 plus square root of 621 Okay, let's take 621 minus 3 over by 34, so it becomes 0.6447, and this one, let's take 621 square root over by 34 So negative 0.8212. Okay, and our equation here, y is equal to 3x minus 1. So when x is equal 0.6447, my y is equal to 0.6447 minus 1, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 0.6447 equal minus 1, so equal to 0.9341. And when my x is equal to negative 0.8212, my y is equal to so 3 multiplied by negative, okay, I'm going to use the negative 0.8212 multiplied by 3 minus 1, negative 3.4636. If in terms of coordinate, okay, I can say that my solution is 0.6447 with 0.9341 and negative 0.8212 with negative 3.4636. And so I'm going to check my equation with GeoGebra. So I'm going to substitute the equation x squared plus 6 equal to 2y squared plus 5y. Another equation is y minus 3x equal to negative 1. So class, basically this is the diagram of the equation. So let's check the intersection. Since like we have two intersection, okay, you can click this one, okay, and then you click at the intersection. See the intersection of equation 1 and equation 2 given 0.64 and 0.93, and I'm going to click another point, the second point. So let's check with the equation here. This number, okay, it is equal as okay, and this number is the solution for point B. Okay, this is the function of the GeoGebra, okay, the one that I asked you to explore. The solution meaning that memenuhi, okay, it is satisfy the equation. It can sit under the equation 1, that point, okay, and that point also is under the equation 2.